Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to move to-dos between lists here in Basecamp. All right. So first up, open up the specific project, and then in here, go ahead and go to to-dos. Okay. Click on it. And once done, as you can see here, I would like to maybe send some to-dos in here to this new list. It says here, new list, move items here. I just made it. Okay. Now, if you just want to move one, just select one to do. For example, number 1 right here. As you can see, we have this 3 horizontal lines besides the to do. Just click and hold onto it and use the left mouse button. Click and hold and then just move it to the new list. Okay. For you to be able to successfully move it, when you hover your mouse onto the list itself, as you can see, the add a to do button will lower. Okay. As you can see, when it lowers, you can now go ahead and release, and there you have it. Another one, number 2, number 3. And then if I wanted to move maybe AI and edit and then 5, I'm going to go ahead and hold Control key on my keyboard, or if you're using Mac, hold CMD key. AI, hold Control, and then while holding, click on edit, and then again while holding the Control key or CMD key, select the other file. Now once done, just release or release Control. Now click and hold on one to do that is highlighted, and then move it. There you go. If you want to select all, okay, to make your life easier, click on the to do at the top or at the very top. While it's highlighted, hold Shift on your keyboard and then click on the last to do. There you go. Release a Shift and then just move it. And there you have it. That is how you move to-dos between a list here in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.